Yes, challenge for today. After that I removed or that I put in a new fuel pump. We got rid of the pressure failure that we had in the system. Got a new one. Because I put a new belt on, I put a new timing belt on. I guess I haven't totally put it exact on time, the inlet cam. And now I got also a retarded, or how do you call that? It's specifically for. And that also drops in when I really give it a real pedal to the metal. Then I got an error code coming from the ECU. So I'm going to try to find out if my timing is out of spec. Don't think so, but we'll have a look at it. And yeah, that's the job for today. So getting this off, checking everything, and once again I have looked on the internet and find some very interesting information. So I guess that will help me from this moment on. So let's see it and go into the movie. Now here you can see I removed the cover and I put the first cylinder on top dead center. I know it, you can't see it from this side, but this is the ideal position how the belt should be. So I'm not showing it in this shot, but you have to loosen both bolts as well as for the intake cam as well for the exhaust cam, and that is where I missed out on in my previous attempt of replacing the timing belt. So hopefully with this correct timing I will lose the P code, the one I had, the 1383, and that is the over retarded exhaust cam. So lined up everything again, created my own tool on the back. You can buy one online, but this is exact 5 mil when you put something on top of the aluminum head. And then those plates are coming from my milling machine, so they're exact 5. They're straight, so that's also correct. So we're still at the top dead center point on both. I released the T55 as I have, is it V55? It's a VE18, as you can see over here, that will fit. So everything is now fixed. Gonna hold this one over here, big wrench, and now I'm gonna torque it until spec. And already secured it a little bit. And here you can see it's on torque. What I found online, for the people that would like to know, it's 120 Newton meters for that front bolt. A little bit of a fast forward. Not going to show everything on building up the engine again or closing it down. I'm really curious, so going to make the car ready for a test run, and we'll show that in a few seconds. Finally, no more engine codes. The only one that I have right now, it's the output speed sensor, and I'm not using that at this moment, so it's finally solved. Thank you for watching this movie, and this is also the last one on the Westfield, so thanks to all the subscribers, and I hope that there are going to be some more coming soon, the next project, and you will get a new movie on that one soon. So thank you very much, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.